7 challenges you might face
My
when
name is
investing in
Dr.
shares.
Victoria Abranitasi, and my purpose is to bring you information that's going to enhance your financial well-being. Stay with me to the end. Don't invest in shares until you know these 7 challenges you are likely to face. Don't invest in shares until you learn these 7 challenges you are likely to face. Okay, before we dive into that, I would like to let you know that if you want information in anything, be it investment in shares, a particular shares, if you it's treasury board, if it's in child investment, Ghana Gold Coin, just comment at the comment section. You just comment that, oh, I need information. Be specific, but some will just say I need information. Be specific on what you want, then I will DM you the information. If you have a private account, then DM me first. Let's just send me a message first. All right, so let's dive into it. 7 challenges you might face when investing in shares. 7 challenges you might face when investing in shares. Number 1 is accessibility to brokers. Accessibility to brokers. Brokers, we have a lot of brokers. In fact, we have a lot of brokers. However, all these brokers are located in Accra. Most of them, let me use most of them are located in Accra, making it difficult for those in other regions to reach them. And also, information are here is, even though their telephone numbers and email account is out there, when you call and when you send them email, they do not respond. So it is a challenge, okay? And so one way you can deal with that issue is to use an app, which is an app on your phone that you can invest. I recommend ICA World and Blackstar app. ICA World app and Blackstar app. Okay. The next challenge you are likely to face is CSD account number delays. Central Security Depository account number delays. So before you can invest in any security, be it bond or shares, you need to get Central Security Depository account number, CSD account number. This is the account that you're going to deposit the money in for your investment. However, it has become a challenge. People contact me and they claim they've been asked to wait for their CSD account number for weeks, months, and even years, which is becoming a challenge. And in fact, it has discouraged other people from investing, because as the person waits, the person will definitely have to find an alternative investment for his or her money. So those who are in charge, we get this CSD account numbers through brokers and through banks. So if you want to, when you go and when you are investing in treasury board, you'll be given a CSD account number, and if you are investing in shares, you'll be given CSD account number. So for those who have already invested in treasury board, you have a CSD account number, so you can just go to your bank, request for it, and use that for your shares investment. Okay, thank you. The next difficult thing, that's the third challenge you are going to face, is availability of the shares that you want to invest in. So after you've gotten your CSD account number, you've deposited the amount you want to use for the investment, you've indicated the firms who are interested in their shares. Now they need to invest in that shares for you. Now let me put it, they need to buy those shares who are interested in for you. However, they cannot buy until someone is ready to disinvest in those shares you are interested in. As in, someone should be ready to sell the shares that you are interested in before they can invest in. Now, when company issue shares to us, what is happening is that it now goes to a secondary market where we are trading within ourselves. I want to disinvest and you want to invest, so I sell my shares, then you buy it, okay, through brokers, of course. So that is the other challenge you are likely to face. The next challenge is the risk of fluctuating of fluctuating of share price. So share price fluctuates a lot. That is one common risk associated with investing in shares. Price are not stable. It fluctuates. Sometimes it will be increasing, that is capital gain. Sometimes it will be reducing, that is what capital loss. So you can lose or gain, but it's quite common with shares, so it shouldn't frighten you much. Okay, all right. Then the next point is the fifth point. The fifth challenge is dividend payment is not compulsory. Please, dividend payment is not and never compulsory. When you invest in shares, you are a co-owner, okay? And if as a co-owner, if the firm decide not to give you a portion, dividend now is dividend is a portion of profit that is given to shareholders, okay? So if they need to decide whether they want to pay dividends or not, so in a particular year, whether they make profit, if they make profit, then they can pay, but they can decide not to pay because they want to invest in a particular project or whatever they want to do with the money. It's not compulsory. That is why normally you have to seek dividend paying firms. There are some firms listed on Ghana Stock Exchange that have been paying dividends. They have been consistent in payment of dividends over the years. So if you comment you need that, I can give you information on that, and you can invest in them if you are interested in dividend paying shares. The next one is shares. The next, as in the sixth challenge, is shares is not as liquid as you think. Shares is not as liquid as you think. Comparably, some shares can be very liquid. Let's say MTN shares. Let's say Total shares. Let's say probably people are interested in buying these shares. You always people will be commenting they're interested in MTN shares a lot. So they are quite liquid compared to others. But then shares are not that liquid because someone must be willing to buy the shares you want to invest in before you can get your money back. So it's not something that when you have an emergency right now, you can go that you need your money back. Emergency money are normally kept in the savings account, okay? Emergency money are normally kept in the savings account. So when you are ready and you want your money back, you have to now give them some time for someone else to be interested in the shares you want to disinvest in. Then you can sell the shares to them, okay? All right. Now the last challenge you are going to face is that when you sell the shares and the money is paid, you don't get the money immediately. We call it T+2 settlement cycle. T+2 settlement cycle means that it will take additional 2 days before you can get your money. It will take additional 2 days before you can get your money. Okay, thank you. Like this video, comment. In fact, I have a new account, YouTube. Go to my YouTube account and do the needful there. Thank you.